Yes, my favorite.
So we just got Griffin a band in a bucket.
You want to bang it?
Well, good job, Griffin.
He doesn't open.
Do you want to get your tambourine?
No. Oh, uh-oh, look at this. Oh. That's a kazoo. Oh, look at, you know how to use these.
Maraca eggs?
Shake it. Shake, 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 shake.
Shake them both, Griffin. Shake both your hands. Uh-oh, wow.
You got your maracas. You can do it on your hip. Or on your head.
That's fun, Griffin.